Hey Lawrence, Paul with Grassfire. Going to show you some things about your website, some of the competitors, and just kind of how to approach this from how to get this search coming to you. I've got your website pulled up here, and definitely it looks like this was created by AI or just is done in a way that doesn't really show who you are. And that's one of the things from a branding standpoint that I want to point out is that we want to definitely capture who you are, what services you're performing, and that uniqueness that you bring to the table to your services and how you interact with customers and such. But that's just kind of one thing that I noticed. The other thing is that you've got some good social proof on here from what customers say and such. And there is a little bit of content as far as like what kind of services you provide. Where we're really lacking is in getting keyword rich content onto the site and just enough of it. So when Google is looking at this, they're looking for three things to rank you up in the search ranking. When I'm talking about ranking in the search ranking, I'm talking about in this map section right here, and then also down in this organic section down below here. So the three things are content. You've heard me talk about this. It's 1,500 words. It's keyword rich. It has enough content on there to support those keywords, however many we're going after. And then it's also going to be, done in a way so that AI can pull this up and Google's algorithm can just search this really well. In addition to all the branding piece of it. The second thing that the Google is looking for is backlinks. So these are outside websites that are going to have a blog content or something on there that's talking about HVAC services or might be talking about, air conditioning problems in the summer or something like that. And on there is going to be a link to like HVAC service Fayetteville AR. And then that link is going to come back to your website. It's going to pass some power from one website to another. And so we have to have those links that are more powerful than what your competitors are to get you up into that search ranking. Google's trying to figure out who's the authority in the space. And then the third piece of this is what we call citations. So this is your name, address, and phone number listed on these online directories. We go out and create those. We go create more than what your competitors have so that, again, we're building a big web presence. It's connected to social media. Everything's working together. That's going to help boost your Google business profile. It's going to help boost your website. All of these things start linking together. And then the other thing is like your website is sort of a living document or a living piece of your company. So as Google is wanting to figure out who to rank, they're wanting to see content added from time to time. And so we're creating blog posts and we're creating additional content pieces to put on your website throughout the month so that Google has new stuff to crawl and they can crawl your site over and over and over. Again, seeing you guys are doing stuff, adding, educating the public, all of those things to try to get yourselves shown as the authority in the space. Now, that's what Google is looking for. Now, let's look at like what's going on in the actual market. So I've just typed in HVAC Fayetteville AR. We can type this in several different ways. We'll look at some of those keywords. And these rankings are going to change a little bit from those different keywords. So we're trying to figure out like which ones do we want to go after. But you can see Ozark Mountain Air is in the map section. RJW Mechanical Precision Comfort is in the map section. They're all location based because these are located in Fayetteville. They've done some things. They've got good reviews. They've got some things done inside their profile itself. Maybe they're adding some photos. Maybe they're keyword tagged. They've got some good content on the posts that are happening frequently. Those are things that you have to do to get into that map section. The second piece is down in this organic area. So you've got Yelp running some content there for HVAC. Pascal and Ozark Mountain Air are in the other two positions. So there's two companies that are coming up are Ozark and Pascal. So let's look at them. I know Pascal is going to be big. We just know that by living here, but just showing what are they doing on their website. So they're talking about the different services that they provide. This is a Fayetteville specific page. You can see it up there. So that's going to try to target all of this HVAC Fayetteville AR traffic to this Fayetteville page. Being that we are in Northwest Arkansas, we have to look at that in a way. So if you're Rogers and you're looking for an HVAC company, you don't really necessarily want to call a Fayetteville company if all of the branding on the website, the page that you land on is about Fayetteville. It's just kind of psychologically not going to want you to use them. You're going to want to find someone local to, that's closer to you, Rogers or Bentonville. So that's just sort of why you create these local pages, especially in this market. Now, they do talk about the different services they provide on here, and they've got a little bit of content, but they're really coming off of the overall content of of their Pascal site, their homepage. So that is helping them, and you'll see that in just like this analysis of like what is that actual page. You can see this 41 on the domain rating. This is reviewing just Pascal's Fayetteville page, but it's also pulling this domain rating. So this is all of their entire website is really strong. Now, you don't have to have this much strength on your entire website to beat these guys. They just are doing that by little chunks are adding up to that DR. This one particular page is a 4.7. It's got 5 backlinks and 3 referring domains coming to it. That just sort of tells me like what is building the strength to it. And then they get 35 organic keywords are hitting this particular page, and they're getting 186 traffic or 68 traffic off of that. So let's look at like what are those keywords that people are looking at. What are some of the search volumes there are, just so you can understand like what's going on in the Fayetteville market. HVAC service Fayetteville AR, they are ranking in the number 3 position. They're getting 22 traffic off of that each month, just off of that one keyword. And there's 150 people a month searching for that. So that's a good amount for just HVAC service Fayetteville AR. That's just general. Now, some people are searching heat pump service Fayetteville AR. Another 150, they're getting 12 off of that because they're in position 5. So this tells me that like, hey, if you do some heat pump service, we could go beat these guys out because they're just not targeting that as well. Furnace service, 100 searches a month, 4 is their position, and they are getting 11 traffic off of that 100. So 10% of that, a little bit over for those 2 keywords. Heating and air, Fayetteville AR, 100 searches a month. They're in position 6. They're getting 7. So you can see as they drop in position, they're getting fewer and fewer traffic coming to that. So we want to pick up this low-hanging fruit. You know, definitely this one that's got a 2 on the keyword difficulty. That's just going to show you that some of these might not be ones that we go for. Indoor air quality. It's just figuring out what is the strategy, what is the ones that we want to go after, and which ones, you know, align with what brings you the most, you know, revenue and profit. Now, looking at Ozark Mountain Air, you know, they've got HVAC services in Northwest Arkansas. That's their main keyword that they're targeting. You've got just some other keywords on here that just HVAC services general. They do have some social proof shown. They show some of the companies that they work for. They've got a little offer here on military services. Good stuff. They got their blog showing here, so their new content is showing up on their homepage. There's a way to do that to get AI to pick that up. And then they got Fayetteville AR, you know, kind of serving that. They're doing it. They're just not doing it super well as far as getting the content on there. And you can see that reflected on this. 2.9 on the domain rating, a 6 on the URL. They do have more backlinks, 148 coming through 92 locations. And 48 keywords. That's driving 372 organic traffic to them. So good amount of traffic, but definitely beatable. And you can see like American Standard Furnace Fayetteville AR. That's a keyword that they're searching. Let me switch this to United States real quick. And, you know, they're getting some traffic off of that, 33 traffic from that just because they service American Standard furnaces. They are in position 1 for that. Air conditioning repair Fayetteville, 150 searches a month. They're getting 18 traffic off of that. Position 4. HVA service Fayetteville AR. This is the one Pascal was in number 3 and getting 22 off of. They're getting 18 traffic coming to them by being in number 4 position. They've got specifically to American Standard, getting a little bit of traffic just off of that because they're ranking so high for that. So again, it's figuring out what are the keywords you want to go after, and you know, I help you with that because I figure out which one's the low-hanging fruit just in our conversation, understanding like what is the most profitable for your business. So that's how we do it, what we're doing specifically to your company and your industry, and like what is going on in the Fayetteville market. All of those keywords are just generated for Fayetteville. There's also all of those keywords for Springdale. There's also all of those for Rogers, Bentonville. You can see there's probably 1,000 traffic or more just in each of the cities. And we just have to figure out like how to go after that and target those specific ones to build out what you need. Would love to talk to you further about this. I'm going to also put together some numbers on, I know we've had a conversation before, how we can specifically do this for your business from where you guys are right now and how you can kind of grow into this maybe from a lead generation side. So I'll start putting that together and we'll talk soon. Thanks.